Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Ebun and if it's your first time on my channel, thank you for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. This video is going to be about making cupcakes and I hope you guys do enjoy. It's just something I tried like about 2 weeks ago and it came out really good. So I just want to share the recipe with you guys. So I hope you do enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, and if you have video suggestions, like I always say, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to record a video for you guys. So it's basically going to be a voiceover. Let's just get started. So let me just warn you ahead of time, you will have zero portion control around these cupcakes, trust me. This is voiceover Ebun, and first of all you're going to need a big bowl and a sieve, and you can start to pour your dry ingredients in there. I put all of the ingredients and the measurements in the description box, so don't forget to check. So I use baking powder, but you can also use baking soda. Actually, anyone. I didn't have baking soda, so I used baking powder. So it's basically up to you. And cocoa powder, which is like the star of this recipe because it's chocolate cake, obviously. And you're just going to want to sift it up, just to remove any lumps. And you'll see what I got at the end of my sifting. Yeah. So that is why it's important to sift, so you remove any lumps that shouldn't be there, so at least you can have a smooth, moist, fluffy cupcake. So we're done with the dry ingredients. We set it aside, and now to the wet ingredients. I use yogurt for this recipe. I didn't have sour cream, but if you do have sour cream, you can use. I chose to use vegetable oil. You can use any oil you have. This is just to help keep the cake soft and moist, even when it goes in the fridge, and it'll still be moist and just wonderful to eat. Vanilla extract is totally optional, but I chose to use it. You might say why, because it's chocolate cake. It's okay, but it just adds flavor to it, and that's why I've added it. But it's totally optional. And some people actually choose to use coffee, like warm coffee. When I tried this the first time, I did that, and it came out great. But I didn't have the second time, so I didn't add it. So you can add coffee. If you're adding just quarter cup of coffee, is fine. So you want to stir that together and combine the dry and the wet ingredients together. You're going to stir, basically just stir everything together for less than a minute, just till it's free of lumps. And yeah, you will know when it's free of lumps. At this stage, I already preheated my oven, so yeah, you should do that. Now I'm just arranging the cupcake liners, and I'm just going to pour the entire mix in it. Please don't be like me. I I made this too full, so just don't make it too full because it will still rise in the oven. So you'll see what I'm saying towards the end of the video. I'll show you. But yeah, just pour it up and then you can put it in the oven that was already preheating. Hey guys, so it's 25 minutes now and I'm just going to check on the cupcakes. So let's do that together.
So that's what I was referring to when I said don't make it too full because it will obviously rise. So just don't be like.
So right now I'm just going to use this to, ooh, feels so, once it comes out like clean and fresh, yeah, then it's done. Same with this. It feels so soft and so moist.
Oh my goodness, just look at that steam.
So before I go, I'm going to try one on camera. Hope it's nice. Whew, so hot. Mmm. Mmm. Please. I think I'm going to have this with some ice cream. It tastes so good. Trust me. Try this recipe and let me know. I don't even know. Thank you so much guys for watching my video today. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!